Hey, we found some new goodies in the back aisle today. There's a Comelon self-lock 16-foot tape measure, $9.97 down from $24.98. And this is a little unique. They have the high vision on the top side and they have white on the bottom. Gives you a better chance of reading it one way or the other. And they've got several more. Here's a 30-foot, $9.57 down from $11.98. Then they've got a Crescent 16-17 down from $24.98 for a 16-footer. And there's a 26-foot, $7.97 down from $9.98. A 16-foot, $5.17 down from $7.95. There's another 26. And if you prefer a Craftsman, they have a 16-inch, $7.07 down from $10.98. 16-foot, if I said that, inch. 25-foot for $7.17 down from $8.98. Now you need a chalk line. They've got a Crescent, 3-to-1 gear ratio at $7.17 down from $17.99. There's a chalk line plumb bob, Lufkin 100-foot, $6.47 down from $9.99. A 2-pack of Irwin tape measures, $25.57 down from $26.98. That's not very much at all. I don't know why that's even back here. There's an Irwin 100-foot plumb bob string, $12.77 down from $15.98. Hey, do you need some powder for that? $10.37 down from $12.98. Smaller bottle, $2.37 down from $2.98. Now you need some landscape flags, 87 cents down from $2.98. They got them in green, and then they've got some pink, $2.27 down from $6.98, and some orange, $2.77 down from $6.98. All in the back aisle at my Lowe's.